Experiencing issues with your Spectrum internet? Let's address the most common problems: no internet connection, slow speeds, and frequent dropouts. First, for no internet, power cycle your modem and router by unplugging them for 30 seconds, then plugging them back in. Check the coaxial cable connections to ensure they're secure. If the modem's online light is off, there might be an outage in your area. Check the Spectrum app or website for outage maps. For slow speeds, run a speed test using websites like Ookla or fast.com to see if you're getting the speeds you're paying for. Remember, Spectrum may throttle speeds during peak hours, 7 to 11 p.m. Reduce the number of connected devices and try using an Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi for a more stable connection. Finally, for dropouts, ensure your modem and router are in a well-ventilated area away from heat sources. Update your router's firmware via the Spectrum app. Identifying the specific problem is the first step to getting back online. If basic troubleshooting doesn't solve your Spectrum internet issues, it's time for more advanced steps. Check for IP address conflicts by releasing and renewing your IP address in your router settings. Use the Spectrum app's diagnostic tools to identify potential hardware or software problems. Consider upgrading to a mesh Wi-Fi system, especially if you have a large home or many connected devices. Looking ahead, Spectrum is investing in fiber-to-the-home networks and AI-driven diagnostics. AI-powered chatbots are helping diagnose issues in real time, reducing the need for human support. Expect faster speeds and more reliable connections as Spectrum continues to roll out DOCSIS 4.0 technology. If you consistently experience problems, contact Spectrum support. Their average resolution time for complex issues is about 45 minutes. Remember to document your troubleshooting steps when speaking with them.